Ever tried fighting something you can't see? Well, scientists are doing just that, and their opponent is the deadly Ebola virus. This invisible enemy has wreaked havoc on global health, causing devastation and loss. But there's a ray of hope. Researchers from the University of Delaware are breaking new ground, using supercomputers to unlock the secrets of Ebola's genetic defenses. So, you see, our invisible enemy is quite a formidable one. But fear not, for our scientists are on the case. Now, how exactly do you fight an invisible enemy? With invisible weapons, of course, or in our case, supercomputers. Yes, you heard it right. The University of Delaware has assembled a team of brilliant minds who are wielding these mighty machines to wage a war against Ebola. You see, the Ebola virus is a tricky adversary. It hides its genetic material inside a protein shell called the nucleocapsid. To understand how to defeat it, we need to study this shell's stability and the electrostatic interactions within it. And that's where the XSEDE EMPOWER program steps in. This program, with its supercomputer simulations, allows these scientists to delve into the molecular battlefield. It's like having a high-powered microscope that can see the charges and forces at play within the nucleocapsid. These interactions are crucial for maintaining the stability of the Ebola virus, and by understanding them, we can find new ways to disrupt them. And that, dear viewers, is how you wage a war in the virtual world. With the power of supercomputers, we're getting closer to cracking the code of Ebola. Now, what does all this techno-jargon mean for you and me? Well, a lot, actually. Imagine a world where the threats of deadly viruses like Ebola and COVID-19 no longer linger over our heads. A world where we are equipped with the understanding and the tools to combat these invisible enemies effectively. This is not just wishful thinking. It's a potential reality shaped by the groundbreaking work of researchers at the University of Delaware. By using supercomputers to study the Ebola nucleocapsid, they're peering into the heart of the virus, decoding its genetic defenses, and seeking ways to dismantle it. They're unraveling the complex dance of electrostatic interactions that maintain the stability of the nucleocapsid, the protein shell that protects the virus's genetic material. And why does this matter? Because by understanding these interactions, we can potentially unlock new pathways for therapeutic interventions and vaccines. Not just against Ebola, but against a whole host of viral foes that we face. This research is more than just a scientific endeavor, it's a beacon of hope. It represents a future where our knowledge of the microscopic world can be harnessed to protect our global community. A future where we are not helpless against the onslaught of these viral diseases. And there you have it. A glimpse into the future where Ebola and other viral threats might just be a thing of the past. Now, wouldn't that be something? So you've made it this far. Congratulations on your newfound knowledge. Keep the momentum going. Subscribe, share this video, and let us know what scientific mysteries you'd like us to unravel next. And remember, every share, every subscribe, and every comment brings us one step closer to a world free from the threat of deadly viruses. So do your part. Until next time, stay curious.